Lesson 1-4, Concept 3, Simplifying Before Solving. So if you have an equation where you have multiple of the same like terms on one side, so here I've got 2y and here I've got y, or the same constants, okay, I've got both just numbers, just constants without any variable, it's much easier to simplify all of those like terms before you go to solve the equation and do your addition or subtraction or start moving things to the other side. Okay, so to do that, you can reorder, all right, associative property, so 2y plus y, 2y plus y minus 3 equals 7 plus 12. And then simplify 7 plus 12 is 19. 2y plus 1y is 3y minus 3. And now you'll go back and solve it as a regular two-step equation. Because they're disconnected, I'm going to add 3, add 3. I have 3y equals, because these cancel, 22. Divide by 3, divide by 3, and you have y equals 22 thirds, or 7 and 1 third. All right, and that is it. You're just going to simplify it before you solve to save yourself some steps.